Have you ever wondered which SUVs are truly the most reliable in 2025? Not the flashy ones in showrooms or the overhyped models in ads, but the ones mechanics swear by and owners keep for hundreds of thousands of miles. On this list, some SUVs can surpass 300,000 miles without major repairs, and others offer a luxury experience at unbelievably low maintenance costs. This video could save you thousands of dollars and help you pick an SUV that lasts a decade. Comment 1 if you find this video helpful, or 2 if you don't. Thanks. Subaru Forester. When it comes to durability and practicality, the Subaru Forester consistently ranks among the most trusted SUVs. The 2025 model avoids chasing glitzy trends, staying true to its core, a rugged, safe, and reliable SUV that stands the test of time. The Forester's standout feature is its 2.5L Boxer engine, a flat design that lowers the center of gravity for superior balance and stability. This delivers a confident ride on highways and better handling through curves or rough roads. Most importantly, this engine can exceed 200,000 miles with just routine maintenance, a feat few crossovers match. The Forester also shines with its full-time all-wheel drive system. No buttons or sensors needed. The power to all wheels is always ready. In rain, snow, or slick conditions, this proactive system provides unmatched safety and confidence, especially for families in harsh climates. Inside, Subaru keeps things simple and practical. Large windows for clear visibility, comfortable seats, and an intuitively laid-out dashboard. It's not flashy, but this simplicity makes the Forester more durable, less prone to minor issues, and easy to use daily. The 2025 Forester comes with the EyeSight suite, active safety tech, including automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, and lane keep assist. These aren't just brochure buzzwords. They're a driver's right hand, reducing risks and even lowering insurance costs. Pause for 3 seconds and hit the subscribe button to support us. 7. Toyota RAV4. If the Subaru Forester is the icon of practicality, the Toyota RAV4 proves you can buy once and forget about switching cars. The 2025 RAV4 builds on what makes it one of the world's best-selling SUVs: durability, efficiency, and excellent resale value. Under the hood, the standard model uses a 2.5L engine paired with an 8-speed automatic. It's not fancy or overbuilt, just a refined machine designed to run smoothly for hundreds of thousands of miles without major repairs. The real star is the hybrid version. With 219 horsepower, Toyota's hybrid system, proven through generations of Prius and Camry hybrids, delivers exceptional fuel economy while maintaining power. Owners save thousands on gas over years of use, with virtually no worries about battery or electric motor failures, a rare achievement among automakers. The TNGA-K platform makes the RAV4 sturdier, with stable cornering and comfort on long drives. Its AWD version handles off-road trails, dirt, or slick surfaces with ease. Inside, Toyota sticks to its less but lasting philosophy. Physical buttons reduce touchscreen failure risks, and materials, while not luxurious, are tough and hold up for years. After 5 to 7 years, the RAV4's cabin still feels nearly new, unlike many rivals that wear out quickly. The RAV4 also leads in resale value. Owners after 10 years often sell at surprisingly high prices, a clear testament to its reliability. With Toyota Safety Sense included, you get advanced safety features like collision warnings, lane keep assist, and smart cruise control. These not only protect your family but can also lower insurance costs, a practical benefit many overlook. 6. Hyundai Santa Fe Hybrid. In a fiercely competitive SUV market, the 2025 Hyundai Santa Fe Hybrid doesn't grab headlines instantly. It lacks the storied legacy of Toyota or the loyal following of Honda. But that's exactly why it quietly delivers real value for savvy buyers, those who prioritize long-term ownership costs and durability over flash. The Santa Fe Hybrid's standout feature is its 226 horsepower gas-electric powertrain. Unlike some hybrids that feel sluggish or jerky, Hyundai's system operates seamlessly, with transitions between gas and electric barely noticeable. The result is a smooth, fuel-efficient SUV that doesn't sacrifice performance for green credentials. In fact, many owners report better than expected fuel economy, with near zero maintenance costs in the first 50,000 miles. This is a huge win for families who don't want to worry about frequent shop visits. Perhaps the biggest advantage isn't the engine, but the warranty. Hyundai boldly offers a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, something even Toyota or Honda don't match. This not only brings peace of mind, but also signals the brand's confidence in its product's durability. Inside, the Santa Fe Hybrid feels clean, modern, and uncluttered. Hyundai balances tech and usability. A large screen, an intuitive dashboard, and key physical buttons remain. Combined with soft materials, a panoramic sunroof, and a spacious cabin, this SUV delivers near-luxury comfort at a reasonable price. That's why the Santa Fe Hybrid is called a silent star. It's not flashy or hyped in the media, but owners often say, "I wish I'd bought it sooner." It's an SUV that does its job, saves money, keeps owners confident, and delivers a satisfying drive every day. Famed Lexus RX. When it comes to luxury SUVs, many think of German brands like BMW, Audi, or Mercedes. But their glamour often comes with repair bills that make owners sweat. This is where the 2025 Lexus RX shines, luxurious, refined, yet remarkably durable and low risk. The RX 350 uses a 2.4L turbo engine with 275 horsepower, delivering smooth, responsive performance and proven reliability. More notable is the RX 500 HF Sport performance, blending a turbo engine with a hybrid system for 366 horsepower. This isn't just an impressive number. It shows how Lexus extends engine life. The electric motor reduces stress on mechanical parts, minimizing wear. A key feature making the RX worth its price is the adaptive suspension, which adjusts to road conditions. It enhances the driving experience and reduces strain on the chassis and components, extending the vehicle's lifespan. This subtle difference becomes clear with long-term ownership. The RX 2025's interior reflects practical luxury. A sharp 14-inch screen is paired with physical buttons for climate and audio, easy to use and less prone to failure. Premium materials, impressive sound insulation, and comfortable seats create a refined cabin that holds up well over years of use. The Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0 includes adaptive cruise control, collision warnings, lane keep assist, and pedestrian detection, not just for safety, but also potentially for lowering insurance costs. It's a small detail with long-term financial benefits. Finally, the RX consistently ranks among the best for resale value. Unlike German SUVs that lose value steeply after 3 years, the RX remains in demand in the used market, thanks to its reputation for durability. 4. Toyota 4Runner. In today's SUV world, where most models chase trends like electrified powertrains, high-tech features, and giant screens, the 2025 Toyota 4Runner stands out as a classic warrior. It holds true to its roots: rugged mechanical strength, body-on-frame construction, and near-legendary reliability. Powered by a naturally aspirated 4.0L V6 engine, the 4Runner avoids turbochargers, hybrid batteries, or complex systems prone to failure. This simplicity is its strength: fewer parts to break, fewer costly repairs. Many U.S. owners push their 4Runners past 250,000 to 300,000 miles with just basic maintenance: oil changes, brake pads, and air filters. Its body-on-frame design and true 4WD system deliver benchmark off-road capability, not just marketing hype. From Alaska's snowy trails to Arizona's deserts or Colorado's rugged paths, the 4Runner proves it's not just a vehicle, but a trusted companion for a decade. Inside, the 4Runner skips oversized screens or excessive buttons. Instead, you get large, sturdy physical controls, easy to use even with gloves on. Spacious seats and a highly practical cargo area create an experience focused on function over flash. The biggest win is resale value. Surveys show a 10-year-old 4Runner can still fetch over 50% of its original price, a rarity among SUVs. If you're looking for an SUV that's not just bought to drive, but also bought to invest, the 4Runner is living proof. 3. Mazda CX-5. If the Toyota 4Runner is a monument to classic engineering, the Mazda CX-5 represents modern, refined SUVs while staying true to durability and affordability. It's often called a budget BMW, not for the brand, but for its driving experience and premium feel that punches above its class. First is the driving experience. The CX-5's 2.5L Skyactiv naturally aspirated engine offers rock-solid reliability. For more power, the turbo version delivers 256 horsepower, outpacing pricier SUVs. Either way, the CX-5 provides precise, seamless handling, feeling more like a sports sedan than a tall SUV. For reliability, the CX-5 earns high marks from Consumer Reports and JD Power for minimal issues, avoiding common headaches like CVT failures, widespread sensor problems, or early oil leaks. Owners often surpass 200,000 miles with average maintenance costs of about $500 a year, far lower than flashier but fragile rivals. The interior is a major highlight. Mazda skips showy screens for quality and layout, finely stitched leather seats, a sleek steering wheel, and well-placed controls. This gives the CX-5's cabin a luxury feel without the extra tens of thousands in cost. Another advantage is resale value. The CX-5 doesn't plummet like many European luxury SUVs. Its blend of stylish design, high durability, and low operating costs keeps it in demand in the used car market. 2. Acura MDX. In the luxury SUV world, many models dazzle at first with sleek designs, upscale interiors, and tech galore. But within a few years, that shine often fades into repair bills costing thousands. This is where the 2025 Acura MDX stands apart. It's not just luxurious, but remarkably durable, a rarity in the luxury SUV segment. Under the hood, the MDX boasts a naturally aspirated 3.5L V6 engine, a platform Honda Acura has perfected over decades. Paired with a 10-speed automatic, this powertrain delivers smooth, responsive performance with proven reliability. No quirky CVTs or complex turbos prone to issues, just a robust engine trusted across millions of vehicles. Driving-wise, the MDX is praised for its solid yet comfortable ride. Its super-handling all-wheel drive SHAWD system is a secret weapon, dynamically distributing torque to each wheel for superior grip, especially on slippery roads. This tech shines in emergencies, keeping the vehicle stable when others might lose control. The 2025 MDX's interior balances luxury and practicality. Real leather seats, impressive sound insulation, and a premium ELS audio system elevate the experience. But more importantly, every detail is sturdy and built to last, not the fragile luxury that breaks easily. The standard Acura Watch safety suite, adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and collision warnings works precisely without the annoyance of overzealous systems found in some European rivals. Another reason the MDX is a long-term friend for many American families is its low maintenance costs, significantly cheaper than an Audi Q7 or BMW X5. According to RepairPal, it averages just $590 a year, a rare figure for luxury SUVs. Sharing parts with Honda also makes repairs and sourcing components easier. All in all, the MDX is a luxury SUV you can own without stress or financial strain. It proves true class isn't about flash, but about reliability for 10 years without stabbing you in the back with maintenance costs. 1. Honda CR-V. If you had to pick an SUV that mechanics fear because it rarely needs fixing, it's the Honda CR-V. The 2025 model cements its king status in compact SUVs, not with eye-catching style or flashy tech, but with near-unmatched reliability. Its 1.5L turbo-gas engine with 190 horsepower delivers steady performance and efficiency without the oil consumption or power loss seen in some rivals after a few years. The 204 horsepower hybrid version is even more impressive. Smooth acceleration, seamless gas-electric transitions, and real-world fuel economy around 35 mpg, saving owners thousands over the vehicle's life. What makes the CR-V special isn't just the engine, but its overall design. From a sturdy chassis and smooth suspension to a spacious cabin and simple controls, everything prioritizes durability and ease of use. You won't find fragile high-tech gadgets, but solid knobs and levers, details you'll appreciate after 10 years of flawless operation. For safety, the standard Honda Sensing Suite includes automatic emergency braking, lane keep assist, and adaptive cruise control. These not only save lives, but can also lower insurance costs, a financial perk often overlooked. What makes the 2025 CR-V a living legend is its high repeat buyer rate. Consumer Reports notes that most CR-V owners are eager to buy another. Nothing proves value like that loyalty. Plus, the CR-V's resale value is rock solid. After 5 years, it retains 60–70% of its original price, a figure even some Toyotas struggle to match. This means savings not just in operating costs, but across the entire ownership cycle. The 2025 CR-V is a no-drama SUV. It doesn't surprise you with new issues each morning or demand monthly shop visits. It quietly serves reliably day after day, saving you money, keeping you confident, and letting you enjoy life. If you're looking for an SUV to rely on for years, this list is your guide. From the trouble-free durability of the Honda CR-V and the luxurious yet affordable Acura MDX to the impressive resale value of Toyota and Subaru, these all prove one thing. A great SUV isn't just for driving, it's for saving money, staying safe, and holding value long-term. Choose the right one and you're buying peace of mind.